Welcome to our channel. Today, we're giving you a short, clear, and professional step-by-step guide on how to apply for Walmart jobs online quickly. Step 1. Visit Walmart's careers website. Go to careers.walmart.com and search for jobs using keywords, location, or department. Filter for full-time, part-time, or remote positions as needed. Step 2. Find jobs that match your skills. Look for entry-level or positions that fit your experience. Positions like cashier, stock associate, or customer service are often open to candidates with little or no experience. Step 3. Prepare your resume. Highlight relevant skills such as teamwork, communication, and customer service. Keep it concise and easy to read. Step 4. Start your online application. Click Apply Now on the job posting and fill out the required personal information, work history, and availability. Step 5. Complete the assessment. Some positions require a short online assessment. Answer honestly and focus on your strengths for customer service and problem solving. Step 6. Submit and track your application. Submit your application and create a Walmart Careers account to track your status. Respond quickly if contacted for an interview. Step 7. Prepare for the interview. If selected, practice common interview questions and emphasize your reliability, communication skills, and willingness to learn. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides.